Welcome to Copycat AI training videos. In this tutorial we are going to show how to clone an offer in Copycat AI. Go to the left menu and click on Offer Cloner. Here you can turn a proven offer page into an original, high-converting deal page with live countdown timer and urgency elements. Just click on Clone your first offer. Just add source URL. Your offer inputs like your offer name and logo. And your offer description. And your offer will be cloned. You can view your created offer page in My Offers section. Manage, preview, and share your generated offer pages in one place. You can view your cloned offer. Edit your cloned page with our exclusive editor. Here you can further edit and customize it. View it. Share it. You can also duplicate it. And delete it. Thanks for watching the video.